Hello! Do you often feel confused about progressive tense, past simple tense, present perfect, present habitual, past habitual? There's so many tenses in Urdu. Today I'll teach you 8 different verbal tenses. If you're new to this channel, hello, I'm Sara. I teach Urdu, English and physiology online, and on this channel I give free Urdu lessons. If you want to have a private lesson with me, these are the websites I work on. So now back to the tenses. In this video, I'll modify 3 different verbs, karna, jana and hona, in 8 different verbal tenses. I made a detailed video about karna in the past, so I'll link it right here. The tenses that we're going to learn today is the past progressive or continuous tense, the present progressive or continuous tense, when the actions are actually happening, present simple tense, a tense that indicate habitual actions or things you do in routine, past habitual. Probably this one is a new one for you. This is a tense that used to refer to a repeated action in the past. Future simple, that indicates the action that we're gonna do in the future. Present perfect tense, the actions that are already finished. Past simple, the actions that have been done in the past. And past perfect, the actions that is completed even earlier than past simple. Suppose there's this guy called Michael. He is our subject. Suppose he has been working since 8 a.m. वो 8 बजे से काम कर रहा था. वो 8 बजे से काम कर रहा था. Raha is the continuous suffix. Tha is was. So this is the past continuous tense. वो काम कर रहा था. He was working or he has been working. 8 बजे से. That means since 8 a.m. 8 बजे से. He used to work in a different company. Used to, an action that he used to do but he doesn't do anymore. This is the past habitual tense. वो दूसरी कंपनी में काम करता था. वो दूसरी कंपनी में काम करता था. Ta is a habitual suffix. Tha is the past element. Karta tha means used to. Karta tha. Dusri means different, another, second. Here it means different. वो दूसरी कंपनी में, in a different company, काम करता था. He used to work in a different company. अब वो नई नौकरी करता है. अब वो नई नौकरी करता है. Can you guess the tense? It is the present habitual tense. Hai is the present element. Ta is the habitual suffix. He does this new job. अब वो नई नौकरी करता है. नई means new. नई नौकरी means job. अब means right now. अब वो नई नौकरी करता है. This indicates that he is doing this job permanently. वो यहाँ बहुत मेहनत करता है. मेहनत करना is to strive, to work. मेहनत करना, hard work. वो यहाँ बहुत मेहनत करता है. This is again the present habitual tense. Or if you want, you can also say वो यहाँ बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है, which is the progressive tense. He is working here a lot. He's working hard. This is what he's doing at the moment. अभी वो मीटिंग के लिए तैयारी कर रहा है. तैयारी करना is to prepare. तैयारी करना. अभी right now वो मीटिंग के लिए means for the meeting, के लिए means for, and meeting is meeting. There are other words for meeting in Urdu, but normally we usually just say meeting. अभी वो मीटिंग के लिए तैयारी कर रहा है. He's preparing for a meeting right now. This is again a continuous or progressive tense because that's what he's doing currently. पिछले पूरे हफ्ते उसने मुसलसल काम किया था. पिछले पूरे हफ्ते means last week, whole week. पूरे means whole. पिछले पूरे हफ्ते उसने मुसलसल काम किया था. This is the past perfect tense. I made a video on the past simple tense. If you want to understand the basics of the past simple tense, you can watch this video. Past perfect and the present perfect is very similar to the past simple tense. Tha is the past component. He had worked a lot last week. साथ में उसने घर के काम भी किए. साथ में उसने घर के काम भी किए. This is the past simple tense, right? Do you know this tense? साथ में means along with that, उसने घर के काम means house chores, घर के काम भी किए. He did a lot of house chores as well. Bhi means as well. Kiye because the work, which is the object of the sentence, is plural. So kiye, plural masculine. Therefore, it's not kiya, it's kiye because they are countable. इसके अलावा उसने अपनी बीवी के लिए ख़रीदारी की है. इसके अलावा means other than that, उसने अपनी बीवी के लिए means for his wife, बीवी के लिए ख़रीदारी भी की है. और ख़रीदारी की है, ख़रीदारी करना is to shop. ख़रीदारी की है. This is the present perfect tense. He has bought things for his wife. ख़रीदारी is feminine, so it's की है. ख़रीदारी की है instead of किया और किए. For the past simple tense, you have to know the gender of the object. It is quite complicated, but I made many videos in the past simple tense. Present perfect tense is used to indicate the action that has been done in the past, but it still has some implications on the present. मीटिंग के बाद वो आराम करेगा. मीटिंग के बाद वो आराम करेगा. मीटिंग के बाद means after the meeting. के बाद is after. वो means he. आराम करना is to rest. करेगा is will rest. एगा is the suffix for the future tense. करेगा. कर एगा. करेगा. Now let's take another subject called Aisha. Aisha is a female subject. And for her, we're using the verb Jana. Do you know what it means? It means to go. Jana is used as a compound verb, so I'll use it in many different contexts. If you don't know what compound verbs are, I'll link the video here if I've already posted it. Let's get started. आजकल आयशा को जानवरों का शौक़ हो गया है. आजकल आयशा को जानवरों का शौक़ हो गया है. जानवर is animals. जानवर. जानवरों is the oblique form of the noun because there's a postposition after it. जानवरों का शौक़ हो गया है. हो जाना is the verb. It indicates a transition. Something is happening. Something has happened in Aisha's life. She got interested in animals. This is the present perfect tense. पिछले हफ्ते वो समंदर गई. पिछले हफ्ते वो समंदर गई. पिछले हफ्ते means last week. वो समंदर गई. She went to the beach. This is the past simple tense. This is the action that is completed in the past. पिछले हफ्ते वो समंदर गई कछुए देखने के लिए. कछुए is turtles. कछुए देखने के लिए. To see the turtles. पहले वो बहुत बार समंदर जाती थी. पहले वो बहुत बार समंदर जाती थी. Can you guess which tense it is? पहले means before. वो बहुत बार समंदर जाती थी. She used to go to the beach a lot. This is the past habitual tense. Some used to do repeatedly, but probably she doesn't do anymore. फिर उसके अब्बू का तबादला हो गया. फिर उसके अब्बू का तबादला हो गया. तबादला means he's moved to another city. तबादला होना. हो गया. Happened. This is the past simple tense. तबादला हो जाना is indicating a finality. Her father got posted somewhere else. Because the verbal stem is ending with a, therefore, instead of saying hoga, we say ho gaya. If the verbal stem is ending with a consonant, we'll just put a. But when the verbal stem ends with a vowel, we add ya. हो गया. उसके नए घर के करीब तालाब है. उसके नए घर के करीब तालाब है. वो हर हफ्ते को तालाब पर जाती है. वो हर हफ्ते को तालाब पर जाती है. वो means she, her means every. हफ्ते को means every Saturday. को is the postposition that comes with the days of the week. हफ्ते को means on Saturday. तालाब पर means on the pond. तालाब is a pond. पर means on. तालाब पर जाती है. You can also say तालाब जाती है as well. So she does it regularly every week on a Saturday. So this is a present habitual tense. आज भी वो अपने घर वालों के साथ तालाब पर जाएगी. आज भी वो अपने घर वालों के साथ तालाब पर जाएगी. आज भी means today as well. भी means as well too. वो अपने घर वालों के साथ. She अपने घर वालों with her family. घर वालों के साथ with her family. के साथ is with. अपने घर वालों के साथ. तालाब पर means on the pond. जाएगी. Will go. जाएगी. Will go. Egi is the suffix for future tense. Do you understand? Do you have any confusion? Let me know in the comment section. Now let's consider a plural subject, we. We is hum. We. That's a plural subject. Let's take a very important verb to be, which is hona. Hona or to happen. This verb is also used as a verbalizer just like karna. Karna is used with many nouns and adjectives to make them a verb. And hona is the same way. This is the video that you can watch. आजकल हम दोस्त बहुत उदास हो रहे हैं. आजकल हम दोस्त बहुत उदास हो रहे हैं. उदास होना is to be sad. उदास होना. आजकल means nowadays. हम दोस्त, we friends. Dost is a friend. I bet most of you know this word because most of my students are learning Urdu and Hindi because of their friends. बहुत उदास हो रहे हैं. This is a present continuous tense as you probably have guessed. क्योंकि हमारा करीबी दोस्त अमेरिका मुंतकिल हो गया. क्योंकि because that's a conjunction. हमारा करीबी दोस्त, our best friend, our close friend. हमारा means our. करीबी दोस्त अमेरिका मुंतकिल हो गया. मुंतकिल होना is to shift, to move. मुंतकिल हो गया. So he moved to America. So in this context, it's ho gaya because the subject dost is singular. Ho gaya. Subject is plural. It will be ho gaye. But here, is just one friend who moved to America? We'll just say हो गया. उसके बगैर हम बोर होते हैं. उसके बगैर means without him. के बगैर means without. उसके बगैर means without him. Us is him before a postposition. Normally he or him is वो, but before postposition it is us. उसके बगैर without him. हम बोर होते हैं. We become bored. So this is a present habitual present simple tense. वो महफिल की जान होता था. वो महफिल की जान होता था. वो means he. महफिल की जान means like the most beloved. उसके जैसा कोई और दोस्त मिल गया तो हम खुश होंगे. उसके जैसा means like him. के जैसा means like. उसके जैसा means like him. कोई और means someone else. कोई और. दोस्त मिल गया. If we find. मिल जाना is to find or to get. हम बहुत खुश होंगे. तो हम बहुत खुश होंगे will become happy. So this is a future tense. तो हम बहुत खुश होंगे will be very happy. गे is the suffix for the future tense for the plural subject. That is it. I hope you have enjoyed and learned a lot. I work very hard on my videos and I edit it myself. If you value my work, consider taking a lesson or becoming a Patreon. I'll see you later. Have a good day.